Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to recover Google Drive deleted files by the simplest way. Here is some files, some image files, some folders, some text document or any files, and you want to delete this. So I just delete this all files. I just go to select all files. I right click on it and I just go to the remove. Now our all files are removed from our drive and I want to back this all file. So I just go to the trash. In trash, you can recover deleted file before 30 days. After 30 days, these files are automatically deleted from the Google Drive forever. So be aware and make sure you can recover your files in 30 days. Okay. So I just select the file that you want to restore. I want to restore all files. So I just select all files. I right click on this file and just click on the restore. Just click on the restore and it is restored. If you click on the delete forever, then it is delete for forever. You cannot recover that file. So I just click on restore, and whenever I click on restore, I just go to the my drive. I just go to the my drive. In my drive, I find my all folders. Here is my test folder, my images, my text document, all files that I have deleted earlier. Okay, so guys, this is the simplest way to recover Google Drive deleted files by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.